If you have sticky door handles on BMW 3 or 4 Series F30, F31, F32 guys, and you want to see how to fix that, stay with us, we're going to explain that step by step today. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW. We're talking about 3 or 4 series BMW guys, that generation F30, F31, F32, F33 guys. If you have one of those, you need to remove or replace the interior door handle that's sticky, falling apart. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that on the driver's side, but passenger side and the rear practically will be very similar procedure as well. So we'll explain how to do that step by step. Make sure to stay until the end so you can do it the right way guys. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly take them apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below guys. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Check it out. So let's go ahead, start on it now. So what do we need to do first? Right here, this cover needs to come out guys. Okay, this cover will need to be removed if it has a few clips, so let's go ahead and do that now. So we will start with panel removal 2. Do not do this part first, you're going to start from the top. You have one clip that goes in this angle, so you need to do that clip last because it needs to kind of like slide towards the front. It's very important guys, okay, to remember that. So you can see, so we start like that slowly, we pull out slowly, and it came out. Okay, this is the clip that we need to slide. You can see in that spring over here, otherwise it can damage it guys. Now what do we have here? Here it's a Torx guys, Torx 25 or Torx 30. Okay, one both hard to see. I think it's Torx 25. Let's try Torx 25. Okay, one on top, perfect, and then we'll have one on the bottom. So that's what we're working on now. I didn't see that hole here, that's a little bit disturbing here. Perfect, working on the second one now. Okay, let's go ahead and find it maybe sometime today. Okay, we're going to probably get it sometime soon. Let me see now. Okay, make sure that it's right there. Okay, first time. So we got that one. Now guys, you have hidden things here. If you remove the door panel, you will not be able to disconnect the window switch. So first we need to go ahead and remove the window switch, and we'll explain okay how to do that now. So the window switch, you have 4 metal clips, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. So we're going to get a plastic panel removal tool. Okay, this is one of the metal clips right there. Let's press this one in. Okay, we might need to get a small screwdriver to push that one in, because I will not be able guys. Okay, I want to show you where that clip is. It's that shiny little thing right there. So let's go ahead, push that in, only in. Okay, let me get one more tool. 1 second, I need to work with 2 of them. Okay, let's press on the clip now. Okay, it didn't come out. He has one more towards the front too. Let me see where the other one is. Okay, right there. Well, the thing is, it's a little bit of a mess. Whoever designed that thing. Okay, I can see it towards the front there. Okay, we have these 2 clips that we need to press. One here and one on the front. Right there. More a little bit to the front. Right there, yep. Okay, let's see now. So let us show you now about our window switch. Right here there will be hidden clips. 1, 2, you have 3, 4. But you have a hard time getting them out. You come on the front, if you come towards the front, you lift up a little bit on the front, and it kind of like slides, and then to the front it comes out. One clip here on the front, guys, two on the back. You can see this one just slide out. So the clip that we have on the front, okay, it's that clip, okay, right there. That, I think it was supposed to be that way. Okay, that clip is this way. You're supposed to push it in, this clip on the front, you push that one in, you lift up, then you come on the back, okay, and you slide it back. Now we can disconnect the window switch, okay, like that, press down and pull it out. You can see, just like that, we got it out. So now we shouldn't have any more screws. We should be able to practically remove the door panel with a panel removal tool. We're going to get usually on the front, okay, and you're going to start getting these clips loose. Sometimes when you get your hands underneath, you can start pulling. If a clip breaks, we'll put a link where you can buy replacement clips at a really good price, because sometimes they will break, sometimes they'll be exposed to a lot of heat, guys, during the years, so they can actually break. Okay, this one we're going to lift up there. You can see it has metal clips here. Pull up more. Okay, that thing will come out. Now we need to disconnect, guys, the cables. You can do it in two ways, from the inner door handle or from here, guys. So whatever is more convenient for you. Here it's very easy. You can just pull it that way, pull it like that. Okay, you can see. And the only thing that we need to do now, here we have one clip. Okay. Okay, we need to get a clip removal tool to pull that wire, and that's the window switch connector. You can see how we cannot reach the window switch. Here, oh, careful, this is the light. Okay, this is the light for the door panel, and here, this is the flood, the light when you open on the bottom. Okay, so it can actually illuminate underneath. So door panel, you can see, came out just like that. So now watch now the clips. Sometimes you're going to get those rubber bushings. You need to install them so that way the panel doesn't vibrate and you don't have noises later. If any of the clips comes off, you just slide it out. Okay, if it came off and it's stuck on the door, you remove it and you push it back on the panel. If it's broken, you just replace it with a new one, guys. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get one from. Let's explain where all the clips are located so you know what to expect from the back side of the door panel. Okay, we're missing one thing still here. Okay, let's see if that door has been removed before, because I do not see actually one soft bushing is missing, so we'll need to buy a replacement one here. But starting here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 clips that we have to remove that door panel now. So now let's explain about that exterior door handle, guys. If we flip that door panel, you're going to see, oh my goodness, this is nasty, right? Now, check this thing out later. We need to transfer all the clips from the old one to the new one because it doesn't come with those, but we can do that later. That handle actually, guys, okay, unfortunately that handle, if you look at it, okay, situated that way, you will have it's pressed in with hot plastic practically, and you need to go in these two holes here and this here. You can see how it is. So we're going to show you here first on top. We're going to try to scrape the top off first, okay? But if you go too much, you're going to drill the panel and you will damage it. It will be done. You will not be able to use it, guys. So let me go ahead, okay, and see now if we can do that safely. Okay, just very slow. Okay, let's see what it looks like. We don't want to drill too much. It doesn't need to go through the panel. It's cutting now. Okay, it's out. You can see without, guys, drilling the panel. So now we can continue with the other 3 the same way. So we're going to go ahead, do the second one now. Okay, just the same thing. Go slow. Okay, that just still the plastic here. Okay, this one now, you can see how it's sideways.
Okay, we're going to get it a little bit on this side here because it was just pressed in where it was not centered. The other two are really centered, so they will be really easy. Now we're going to get this one a little bit. Okay, see if I can get it a little bit more, and we're going to pry it and see if it's going to come out. Okay, let's see. It will need just a little bit more. I might try to just go ahead and shave it off on one side. Okay, practically it should come off now, or at least some of it. Okay, now we have that piece here. That we need to let me turn it around, and I might need to get something, okay, to hit it just a little bit. Let's see if it's going to come loose. Okay, it came out. Now we need to do the same to these ones. These ones will be easy. I can see them, they're completely centered, so I'm going to go ahead, do that quick. Okay, now let me see, this one is almost done. Okay, and I have a little bit on this side now. Okay, let me see now if it's going to come out. Okay, maybe one of them is still holding a little bit. Let me see. This one on the back side, I need. Okay, this one is still holding. Let me see now. It came out, guys. You can see that's the old handle out of here now. So now here we need to make sure, okay, everything's good. Check this thing out, that's where I was drilling. Everything is intact, everything is in great condition. Nothing has been compromised. And now all we have to do, get the new handle. Okay, this is the new handle. We're going to wipe here, okay, a little bit underneath. Okay, this new handle has like a couple of clips that you need to push in. We're going to go ahead, put it upside down. We're going to take the screws now, and for the screws, okay, let me show you now. We have washers as well here. So we put a washer, and once we do that, we're going to get this tight. Okay, we're going to get a different screwdriver that's more convenient. Perfect. Now we have, okay, one more that we need to get on this side. Okay, let's go ahead, get this one tight now. So that handle is not going anywhere at all. Perfect. Two are done. Two more to go just right here. So we put the panel upside down, I went underneath and installed the screws, just started them. Now we're getting them tight, because otherwise you always drop them, and yes, unless you have a really strong magnetic screwdriver, but the washer tends to fall too. And careful, this is the ambient light right here. You can easily break it if you're not careful, guys. So we're working on that one now. Okay, no. Okay, Perfect. So we're ready to continue. We're going to go ahead and transfer all the clips now. You have to be careful, okay? If you get it with a small screwdriver right here, that will be probably the easiest thing. Let's see. Okay, so they don't damage, because otherwise you can bend them and they will get loose and they will come out. So you might need to bend again the little teeth if you mess them up. Now number 2. Perfect. You can see we're just slowly doing them. It's very important to transfer all of them. Doing these 2 now. And now we're going about this one here as well. Now we have that last one, which goes the other way, towards the outside. All the way to the garage door. Okay, right there. So this one, okay, this one was supposed to be installed, guys, okay, before we install the door handle. So that's why it's a good idea to always watch everything from the very beginning, because this one goes from underneath. So we need to pre-loosen these 2 screws now, and we're going to, okay, install that one in, okay, after that, because this one stays like that from underneath and we cannot get it now. So we're going right here. Almost got it. We're gonna get the small pliers and try to do it that way. That's not gonna work. Okay, let me see if I can. Because I don't want to reposition the screws again. And we got it in, guys. All we have to do is get it tight now again. You can see it goes from underneath and comes that way. So we didn't remove the screws all the way, so I don't have to fish for them again trying to get them, because it's a little bit inconvenient. And all we have to do is install the door panel, and then we can continue with the next step. So guys, we put it together. Let us show you what it looks like. This is the old one that was falling apart, and if we come right here now, okay, check it out. All we had to do, just put the panel back together, and we pop the cover back in, and everything is like new, guys. Super nice, smooth, new looking. It's amazing. Okay, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.